shouldn't always think that most truly meets the eye, that there is some people and everybody's allowed to make their own judgment, but I definitely think it's one of those things, there's something there. I can't tell you what exactly it is, but I think it's something we'll probably never know.
In the end, there are no tidy answers. But one thing is clear, the persistent memory that Cameron once had of another life on a far-off island troubled him no longer.
You died.
And Cameron, to that, the fact that I've seen it for ourselves, it's as if it puts it to rest in his mind. He doesn't have to go on and on through it anymore, and he just feels so calm about it. I feel that everything just has to reach out my house, and really like the kind of the bar in my house. It's just so calm now, it's quite unbelievable to see.
Добре, да. Yo. How do you Someone recording me.
I got a picture on my phone, Jack.
Oh, funny.
This left an island. Oh, hold on. No. How's that change? You haven't got me now. No. I think it's all in his head. Yeah. I think he's a lunar. How would he know? I think probably
What, my boy?
I learned I'm getting the